This is my voice when it's at night. Actually, this is my voice at night and when I wake up. How am I feeling? I'm still coughing a lot, but it's actually a dry cough, so. Also, where is it? Guys, help me with the campaign. It's just until tonight. And these are the stickers that you guys need to send. I mean, it's not a need, but it just depends on you guys if you want me to win the campaign. And thank you so much for those who send stickers. Thank you, Truman's Fart. Thank you, Bangshi. Thank you, Urans. And yes, again, I intentionally did not turn on my camera. I wanted I want tonight to be a podcast feel. Kasi di ba sabi ko kwentuhan. So, because I feel like if parang podcast type, it would make the kwento more parang mas mafocus yung pag-uusap. Yeah, because it feels more intimate. It's like nag-audio call. Char. Paano ba mag-podcast? Guys, actually, I really, really want that. I want to open up that to the management na, for summer, I want to do intern or parang extra work for, podcast or VJ. Yeah, I really want that. What's my podcast intro? I don't even know yet. But yeah, I want those mga self-help type of podcast. Yeah. Raspy voice. I have a raspy voice usually at night and when I wake up. Yeah. How's everybody? How is everybody? How's your Tuesday, guys? POV na sa confession room tayo ni Aya. Oh my god! Someone is eating balut! I'm kind of craving for balut. Should I go out? No, it's late na. I have salted egg though. No, it's kind of late na. For tomorrow na lang. But oh yeah. I'm gonna prepare my healthy snack for tomorrow because I have class but tomorrow. Um yeah, so after the podcast feels, don't you worry guys. You will see me, you will see my face, and you will see me prepare my healthy snack. Yes, I did eat dinner na. Oh, may pahanda si paring Jello, the birthday boy. Kumain kami kanina. Yeah, I have class tomorrow, 9 to 11, and then we have training tomorrow. Ooh. Good luck sa mga may exam tomorrow. Good luck, guys. Thank you, Mel, for the essential sticker. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, him, for Beanie, for the grocery, Marls, for the Holo Holo user, for the Spike. Do I have exam? Our finals is coming this, next month, May. So until May 29 lang yung class namin. A while ago, we did have, ano, parang quiz. Filipino subject. Thank you, Bangshi, for the essentials. Thank you, Chiax, for the sticker. Kayo ba, until when yung school nyo? May 20, June, July? Well, because we started around September. So I guess that's why until May. But for summer, which is June, July, um we have summer classes, but it's optional though. Pero I really want to take summer classes. I really want to be productive for summer. So I'm going to take full load of summer class, and then I also want to do intern. Actually usap ko na ano. I want to intern sa UEAS. Sana matanggap ako. Kahit ano lang ako mag-observe, okay lang sa akin. No, but I wanna learn though. Yeah, kaya I wanna, like yung VJ stuff, like I want to have that for summer intern. I also because I really wanna strengthen my resume habang maaga pa, I'm still first year. I can still add more to my resume. Kasi I don't want na parang third year or fourth year pa ako mag-iisip for my resume and dun ko pa isa-strengthen siya. So, yeah. I wanna, do a lot. I mean, yeah, I think because that has always been me, wherein I always have this thirst for, for something new or for knowledge na parang, I wanna do, I wanna do, ano bang maganda? Yeah, parang I wanna do business nga din eh. Parang I wanna sell something. Yeah, I wanna sell something na parang pwede ko siya maging hobby and at the same time I can monetize. Oh my God, may nagsabi ng candles. I actually do want to make candles and I want to sell it. I want to do like a candle making event or something. Would you guys want that? Would you guys enroll if ever I have like, yun, naisip ko din sa classmates ko, sabi ko, kasi ako talaga lately, I've been thinking about, okay, because I noticed na parang, yeah, I do a lot because of work and school, pero I just feel like I've been doing the same thing for a couple of months, and I just want to do something more and something new, something that I could grow in other places and I could discover more. I Yeah, I mean, kaya gusto ko try na mag-sell or just do something. Yeah, entrepreneurship. I want to do that. Like I told my classmates na like what if we start an organization sa school? Kasi we notice how walang art club and we're multimedia arts. Like what if, example, every Friday we have events or like twice a month at least. And then we have parang candle making, collage making, painting, parang ganun. Or like, photo walk, ganun. Yeah. 'Di ba? What else? What else pa kaya, guys? Oh my God, I wanna do that. I'm gonna strengthen it. I'm gonna do that. Oh my God, tapos I will have my own organization. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. I want to establish an org. Yes, yes. Oh my God. What else pa, guys? Like, what are some things na pwede pang Ano bang, like, collage making, drawing, pottery! Oh, pottery. Oh, crochet. Sige, I'm gonna list that all out. Pottery. Oh, alam niyo, oh, I also tried ano, like, tawag doon, like yung chalk, tapos you're gonna carve it. Oh, and then sculpture painting, paper mache. Oh, I wanna try that. Soap carving, I have tried that. Hala, sige nga. Mag, hala, I will, oh my God, sige, gusto ko, I will tell my classmates na ano, let's make an art organization. I wanna do oh, coffee painting. Hala, oo nga 'no, tapos let's say example, soap. Tapos let's say ano kami, tapos in a way maano ko siya ma-plug. 'Di ba? Ah, ah, 'di ba? Yeah, but I mean, I know we're multimedia arts, but I mean, ano, parang art siya. It's still art. No, kasi I feel like, yeah, origami, no? No, kasi I feel like ano eh, if example multimedia arts and then I start an organization na parang most of the parang we do mostly mga graphics and not everybody has an iPad, not everybody has ano yun, gadgets. And kasi if ever ganun, dapat ako mag-provide, no? Hmm, hmm. Oh, embroidery. Oh my God. Nga, no? I wanna start that. Tapos pwede ko hala, tapos I can turn that into a business. Like, oh, ah, yeah, cross stitch. Tapos, oh my God. Kasi sa amin, may isang org, or I don't think it's just one org, but so there's this one org that I'm a part of. It's called Connect, and they run Connect. And then what they do there is fun, like they have Bible study, they have karaoke, they have sharing, kwento-kwento. They have, kumbaga, it's like an organization where you get to connect with people, with God, ganun. And then anyone can join, even if they're not from Enduran. May time nga na ano, dinala ko isasali ko sana si Sheena and Colette. Pero that time, parang we didn't make it because when we were on the way na sana there, timing ano, kakatapos lang nila. So parang, oh my God! What if mag-start ako ng ganun? Tapos open siya for everyone. Like, pwede, of course, and from people from Enduran, and pwede din um, from other people, I mean, other outsiders. Kasi pwede outsiders na makapasok sa school. And then, in a way na that will also help Enderon attract, people from outside, and people from outside will get to see the school, and baka may kahit pa sila to study there. Haha! I'll strengthen that. I'll put that on my notes, and I will, hala. Guys, ano magandang pangalan kaya? For for an art organization. Likha. Likha organization. Wow. Ano kaya? Give me some witty or some creative or some smart ones. What's nice kaya? Hmm. I don't know naman. I don't want it to be my name because ako lang. Guhit. Hmm. Sining. Guhit. Sining. Ano yung isa? What's the other one? Booge art. Sinindustria. It's too Tagalog. I feel like not everyone's gonna understand. Sheesh art. Okay, okay. Slay art. Ano? Ano ba yung hulma?
Likha. Ah. Or pond, tawag doon. Tapos pwede ma-connect no, like example, pottery making. Tapos yung mga pots nila, like let's say, nagawa nila ngayon. And for the next session, it's gonna be pot painting. Ooh. Tapos ano, like alam mo yung nagpe-paint while you guys are eating or drinking. I want that. That's so therapeutic. I want I I want that. I want to make that happen. Yeah, parang sa sip and go. Yeah. Would you guys, if ever I have an organization and then I'm gonna I'm gonna have that and then open for everybody siya, would you guys want to support me and then tapos makapunta kay Ender, di ba? Tapos we all get to do art. That's so nice. Oh my God, then in a way, I get to see you guys then, di ba? You guys just get to see me do art live. And then, yeah, that's such a healing session. That's so therapeutic. And I feel like everybody, grabe naman, fan meet. No, it should be only focused about art, not Beanie. Okay? I mean, I love Beanie, but if ever, like, let's say, people from outside can go, I don't want you guys to all be talking about, oh my God, Beanie, Beanie, Beanie. I want it to be focused about the art. Yeah, because, diba, that's what it's all about. Art organization, art space. Ooh, diba? Oh my God, I want that. Yeah. Oh my God, tapos, I want that. Oh my God, Ate Angie, thank you times 50 for the essentials. Mess art. Huh. Creative spaces. Oh, pwede din. Creative spaces. Um, ano pa? Likha. Mind your own art. Piece of art. Thank you, Truman's Fart, for the haul. Hmm. Ano kaya? Heartfelt art. Artfelt. Oh, artfelt. Very heartfelt. Wait lang. Okay. I'm just gonna type it all out. Artfelt. Likha. Ano nga yun? Ano nga yun? Artscape. Okay. Um, um, what did I mention before? Sige, guhit. Ano pa? Piece of art. Piece of art. Oh, no, no, no. Piece of art. Huh. Creative spaces. Hala. Tapos, what if no, Wala, wait lang. Tapos, what if no, like, craft lab. That's nice. Tapos what if no, like, we can make it to something more legit and like we can up it, like put it in a whole other level. Like, let's say, kasi 'di ba yung Enderon. Actually, guys, if you want, let's say gusto niyo mag-debut or wedding and you're looking for a reception, you can actually book Enderon. We have parang as in almost every day or parang every day talaga may events sa Enderon weddings, mga corporate events, whatever sa Enderon. Si ano nga eh, sila Skypod, nag-ano sila dun sila nagpa-event. And yeah, like what if noon may mga events. And alam mo yung may art corner, 'di ba? Candle making, yung ganun. Oh my God, tapos we can make it to a real legit thing and then it will turn out to be a business thing and then wabam, live sketching sa event. Wala, like yung pa-caricature. Art at work. Arts and crafts. Art beat. Oh. Oh, okay. A lot of creative ones. Magic art. Uh, Thank you, Truman, for the haul. Thank you so much. Guys, if we reach 50K, let's start with Q&A. Oh no. Let's not start with Q&A first. Every 20K, so we will start if this will reach 50K, and then every 20K, parang you guys will get to comment a topic, and then I'm just gonna pick a random topic and then I'll talk about it. Yeah. Off cam because this is still a podcast type. Because yeah, I'm still talking and let's focus on the talk. Yeah. So, are you guys good with that? Don't you worry, guys. I am gonna reveal my face later because I'm gonna make an inbound for tomorrow. So, yeah. Yeah, you guys, okay, how this will work if we reach 50K, you guys will comment a topic like a word or a phrase, and then I'll pick a random one. I'll talk about it, and then I'll stop and move on to another topic if we reach another 20K. Are you good with that? Are you all good with that? Okay. All right. So last 4K, and we are gonna start. All right. Currently, we have 46K, and it would help if you guys would send me campaign stickers so that I will win. Hopefully, I will win grocery, and I hope that if I do win next time, I will cook for you guys. If I win, yeah. Oh, yon! Thank you, Bangshi, for the essentials. Okay. Now that we reach 52K exactly, okay, everybody comment a word or a phrase and I will talk about it. And if you guys want me to move on to the next topic, help me reach 70K. So every 20K, additional 20K, that's the time I'll get to stop and move on to a different topic. And wag nyo naman patagalan yung isang topic, guys. I think it would be nice that, we get to talk about a lot of different topics. So keep sending stickers. Okay, I love how you're just commenting
words and everything else. So just keep commenting. Okay, I have picked a word. And the word is healing. Healing. Okay, this word for me is it's such an important word that not a lot of people know how healing is so important. I'm sorry. Someone said deep word again. But well, I just love that. And I think I'll grab this opportunity for me to to talk about it because I mean even before I've been wanting to be vocal about this word, healing, because I noticed how many people actually need healing that they don't know they need it because they think na parang, oh no, why do I need healing for? Like I'm alive, I'm surviving right now. I mean, yeah, we have problems, but why do I need healing? When I say healing, parang like the deep serious healing when you focus on the things that are needed to be focused. Because a lot of people tend to disregard, like example, like ako, late ko lang nalaman na I have actually a lot of traumas that were bottled up. And when I was aware of the traumas that I have, I learned how to heal them. I learned how to, if not fully heal, I learned how to take care of them, and how to be kind with all the traumas that I experienced. Parang ganun. And yeah, healing is a process. Parang, yeah, I learned how to cope up with it. And I learned how to cope up with it in a healthy way. Like, example, ano ba? What are some examples? Hmm, that's so hard. Yeah, and oh yeah, baby steps in healing. Yun, don't rush. Kasi, like, okay, there are some times, before, I've mentioned this, but I will mention again. Before, parang I used to, seek validation from other people. Parang example, um, I don't think I am like this unless someone else will say it for me that I am this. But you can say it to yourself na you're this and you believe that you're this. And example, let's say, um, I am a kind person. I believe that I am a kind person. And you do you do kind things. Parang wait lang, it's so hard to explain. Pero, or am I just having a hard time right now with relating my thoughts? Pero, alam mo yung example, ganun, na parang, all along, pero ikaw lang din mismo nag-invalidate sa sarili mo na na you're not kind just because you haven't heard someone say na you're a kind person. So, you believe in that na, no, I'm not like this pala, ganun. Pero, all along, you've been doing kind things naman. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, and also, yeah, time can heal all wounds. Kaya it takes time talaga for healing. And people think kasi na parang, okay na, okay na ako. Parang, okay na, parang I can move on na, ganun. Pero later you find out na in the patterns of your life, it's still there. Parang hindi, kaya nauulit ang mga parang naging pattern pa rin siya at umuulit pa rin kasi you haven't fully healed. What if may tanong si Krista. What if yung sinasabi natin sa sarili natin is not really ourself? Well, only you can answer that, and you
know yourself better. You know if you're lying to yourself. You know if you're being truthful sa sarili mo. So that's why even if, let's say, other people will tell you something about yourself na you're ganto, ganyan, and pero you know deep inside na, oh my God, I'm not that type of person. See, parang, basta, my point is in the end, you know yourself the most. Yeah, you're the one who truly knows who you are. Ma, may, may tanong din si Christine underscore Kian. My question is, are you healed na ba, Ate Aya? Well, um, healing is ano naman, I think it's just like change and kumakain ako ng biscuit. For me, healing is just like change. It's constant. And also with learning. Healing and learning, experience, life is constant. It's always evolving. So, with healing parang, I feel like it's, you're always healing. Pero, there are some, parang books, alam mo yung, there are, parang yung books, it's always unlimited. Ang daming nag-ano, ang daming merong bagong books, ganon. Pero, parang, there are some books na parang tapos na. Kasi you finished reading this book 1, book 2, book 3, 4. So, parang, I don't know, you get what I mean? Nag-gets you ba ako, guys? Parang yung, parang ganun yung pagkaintindi ko with healing. Parang, you will always heal kasi, I mean, we're human, we experience things, and even if you try to make your life perfect, pero things will always, happen. Bad things will always happen. Things will always not go according to plan and result, because of bad things. Okay, another healing na naman for this one. So, ayun. Parang siyang when you read a book, and then when you're done, or when you're healed, you close that book, you're done, you move on, there's another one. But the beauty of it is that in every healing, for me, how I see it, in every healing, that example, I have fully healed in this part, this book, in this journey, I get a lesson, I get a learning from it. So I think that's what's important. Yeah. I don't know if I'm making sense, but I'm trying my best to picture it out through that. Yeah. Oh, Raynan underscore Bloom said, can we be healed even if we are alone? For me, I feel like you heal when and you have to heal on your own because it has to start with you. I feel like there are some people that will help you with healing and with your healing process. They can be there for them to guide you and give you pieces of advice, ganon. But it's it's still dependent sa'yo. Kasi like I said na parang you know yourself better. You know how you will heal in your own terms. Yeah. And I feel like for example, okay, like example. Ayun, ito, feeling ko ang daming makaka-relate nito. Example, you are in a relationship and you guys have been so long together and then all of a sudden hindi kayo endgame pero ending meron. Ending meron. Sakit agad ah. Ah, example yun. Like let's say like you guys are long-term couple, gano'n. Let's say 10 years, hala, pak. Tapos nag-break kayo. You thought na kayo pala sa isa't isa, gano'n, marriage stuff. But wala, hindi talaga, you're not meant to be. So, 'di ba, I mean, imagining that, like, hala, grabe 10 years tapos when you thought you're gonna marry him or her na pala, pero hindi pala. And then, syempre, if you imagine it, parang, damn, all the time, the effort, the love that was invested in that 10-year relationship. So, parang, for me, parang grabe talaga yung healing niyan, no? Grabe talaga yung healing. Kasi, alam mo yun, hindi biro yan, yung mga journey, yung journey nyo, yung memories together, everything, the investment and all. Tapos, ayun. Tapos, parang for them, na feeling nila to heal is by finding someone else agad. Like, sure, okay. For me ha, for me lang to. Like, okay, you can heal siguro kasi parang you find happiness with from other people. Pero kasi nung in between yan, like the breakup part, you were so unhappy and then bigla ka lang lumigay because you found someone. But then what if that someone will mawala din? So what? You're gonna go back to your old self na parang malungkot ka, ganun. So parang I think before you should start with being with someone, work on yourself muna. Heal what the what you experienced before that. Kasi grabe yung pinagdaanan, grabe yung experience din. So parang it also relates with self-love. Parang before you um tap onto something, focus on yourself, focus on your core, feed yourself, fuel yourself, and take care of yourself. Make yourself whole before you give something to others. Because how can you give when there is nothing to give even sa sarili mo? Yeah. Yeah. Ganun. I don't know if I'm making sense, pero oh, true, kasi if you're not yet healed, you'll end up hurting others then. True. That's so true. Can two broken people heal? But wait. But what I'm saying right now, baka akala niyo, okay, okay, I noted. Okay, 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 I'll do that. Everything is still different for everybody. So that's just based from how I understand it. And if you guys have something to add on to that, if you want me to if you guys would want me to know about some more stuff, just feel free to comment it. I would love to comment more of your thoughts about it. I mean, I I appreciate that and I don't take that as an insult or something rude kasi I mean, ano, at least, 'di ba, may ma-learn ako. Healing, sabi ni sino 'to? Jagia. Healing for me is like a process of growth. Something blooms afterwards. Yeah. Ooh. Can you be May nagtanong, ooh. Si A. Lee. Can you be friends with your ex after you've been healed? Oh, for me, no. For me, let's say, example, I have an ex. Tapos, parang, oh my God, grabe yung pinagdaanan namin. Tapos, for me, siguro that's how I'll know na I'm healed na when I see my ex again. Parang wala na. Like, nothing will ever bother me again. Nothing's bothering me. Kasi parang, I'm I'm healed. Like I'm okay. The past is past. I'm good. I'm not feeling something bad about it because alam mo yun, you fully have healed about it. Kahit let's say, example, grabe talaga yung nagawa ng mga kalokohan, grabe talaga nagawa or something. Pero when you're healed, parang wala. Acceptance, nandun ka na sa stage na parang you accept it, you forgive yourself, you forgive him,
You're kind to yourself now. Everything's healthy. Diba? I feel like that's how you know. Oh, okay. I feel like that's how you know you've healed from something if you're at peace and nothing's bothering you. Yon. For me, that's what it means to be fully healed when you're at peace. Yon. Yeah, when you're at peace. Wala na ba magsasend ng stickers dyan? Guys, mahutdan ako glaway. Oh my God, yun ako. Ay! Makaupa maning ubuhan eh. Hala na pindot ko na on-cam tuloy. Guys, magsend na kayo ng stickers. Help me reach 70K. Heist. Tapos, oh my God, what if gana no, tuga-tuga uguan ba? Thank you, Mighty Fall, for the essentials. What if gana no, may paano pa ako. Gusto ko mag-podcast. Tapos biglang ganto, paubo. Uy! Kakahiya. And guys, I feel like healing is all about ay makaupaw ning ubuha oy. Gabby say the mighty fall. You are really mighty. Oh my god, and I'm falling. Yee. Thank you for the 129 essentials. Now we currently have 87. So, okay. Ay, feel ko sinadya na hindi mo na mag-90. Para ano? Okay, next topic. Okay, new topic. New topic. New topic. Guys, pwede kahit kalokohan, guys. Go lang, kahit ano. It may be the most random thing. Okay, let's go. Just comment. Comment, whatever. Comment. 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 I am looking at your comments. Gabi, sad mo sa upaw, eh. Oh, go comment. Comment lang. It can be funny. It can be random. It could be deep. It could be something you like, something you hate. Grabe naman kayo sa ubo ko. Sige, eto. Balut. Oh, di ba? Random. What about balut? Ayun, para maiba. Kasi ano. What about balut? Eto. Sige, let's start off with a fun fact. Did you guys know when I was a kid, or when I was younger, around, I don't know what age, pero when I was like around elementary, and then whenever my parents would have friends come over sa house or wherever, and then mga ano sila, mga foreigner. Kasi 'di ba usually mga foreigner, they wanna try balut. Kasi parang yun yung parang ano, very intriguing food natin na parang, "Oh, I wanna try that challenge." Kasi for them it's something ano, something bizarre or taboo na parang, "What? You eat the duck egg?" Yeah, it's our delicacy and huy. And then ano, before I would have ano, lagi akong pinapa-challenge sa mga foreigner. As in like, ano, eating contest ng balut, gano'n. Tapos ako yung mananalo lagi. Ang bilis ko, isang ano lang, gano'n, and it's done. Yeah. And sila parang, "Oh my God, you balut, I can see the feathers, I can see it's big." Girl,
I just swallowed the entire balut. What are you talking about? You are still talking about the soup. Nasa tiyan ko na ang balut. I won. Better luck next time. Yeah, ganun ako, guys. No joke, as in, like, grabe. Ganun ako. Tapos, ayun, prize is ano, binibigyan ako ng pera. May balut na nga, may pera pa. Ah, 'di ba? Yeah, and then also another thing, oops, we have we have reached 90K. Feeling ko may ayaw na mag-talk talk ako about balut. Okay, new topic. Comment. And, grabe sad mo. Utot. Nga naman mo. Who? Go, comment lang. I am just watching your comments. Also, by the way, I'm drinking water. Do you hear that? That's water. Go. Comment lang. Ooh. Go comment. It's interesting because you know why? I'm just reading your comments right now. But I will pick naman. Pero parang in a way I get to see what you guys are feeling or thinking or how you are based from the words that you guys are typing out right now. Parang um parang hindi ako yung gustong mag-talk about it, but it's like you guys want to talk about it. AKA utot. Charot. Hmm. Huh. Okay. I see you guys. Go lang, comment lang. Go. Ooh, and by the way, guys, yung campaign is until ano lang, 11:49. So help me win. I hope I win. Hala, wala na, guys. Ibang topic na. Charot. Okay, sige. I'll pick a topic and then once I'm done talking, I feel like I'm done talking about it. I'll move on to a different topic kasi ay hindi. Tawa 70 90 pala. 110 pala. Okay. Okay, wait. Ooh, I like this. Ano to? Wait lang, naglag. Oh my God, naglag yung comments ko. No! No, wait. Okay, just keep commenting. Naglag lang yung comments ko. Okay, movies. Huh. Movies. Actually, guys, what are some nice movies since we're talking about movies? Kasi I haven't been watching a lot of movies lately, to be honest. I got the last movie I watched. The last movie I watched. Ano pala? Last movie I watched, yung si Coco Martin and Jody Santa Maria. Tapos yung song namin plinay. Na 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 na, nahulog ang loob sa'yo. Grabe talaga. Yeah, it was a time na ano, my friend came over, tapos we were ano, we were making bulgogi, ganun, ganun. Tapos, she's so funny. She's like recording me and then she was dancing in front na 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 na. Ganun, ganun siya. Grabe! Katabi ko lang yung kumanta. And it's so funny. Nakakatawa yung friend ko. Sabi nila, "Hala, let's..." Kasi we were like scrolling through Netflix tapos parang nag-ano kami, "Ano ba gusto natin panoorin?" Tapos sabi niya, "Oh my God! Panoorin natin 'to kasi yung music niyo nandiyan." Tapos ayun, yun lang, so funny. And yeah, somebody asked me, "Do I like horror movies?" I love horror movies. I like crime movies, and I feel like okay, a lot of a lot of guys think na this is weird for us girls. Pero it's true, but and we well, cause we like it. We like crime, horror movies, like true crime movies. Yeah, I don't know. Like kami girls, kami girlies, mini girlies. We like true crime. Yeah, we like true crime movies. Oh, and guys, ako lang ba? Pero that's why I haven't been watching a lot of movies lately kasi kayo din ba nakaka-experience kayo ng ganitong feeling na alam mo yung you wanna do something, aka let's say you wanna watch a movie, but then if you watch a movie, you feel guilty kasi in your mind parang why are you watching a movie? You should be doing work, you should be doing something else that's more productive. Even I mean, if you think about it, watching a movie is also productive naman kasi you get to learn something from it naman. Ganun ako minsan. Like, I guess if in those times na, alam mo yung sobrang babad na with work and school na, ano, kasi these are priorities and then I tend to think na all the other things that I want to do sana, parang, no, don't do that. Is it a priority? Do you need to do that? That's just the one. Parang ganun. Parang in a way, I feel bad to do it. Pero, yeah, I'm battling that. Pero, yeah, that's why I always remind myself na I don't be too hard on yourself. You deserve this. It's just a movie. And we need little breaks in a while. Ganun. Yeah, pero in a way, rest mo din. Ganun. Anong ma-recommend nyo na movie, guys? The Proposal. What's that about? Ooh, guys, anong mga rom-com? Yung mga feel-good. My favorite genre sa movies is rom-com, true crime, yung mga mind nahulog yung tubig ko. Yung mga mind games, yung mga psychological games, like, so, kasi for me, a great movie is something that is unpredictable. If it's predictable, I'm sorry, but that for me is not a good movie. Kasi, what are some movies that are very unpredictable? Hmm, interesting. Okay, okay. I'll have those noted. Hmm. Invisible Guest. The Notebook. Nakakaiyak. Fear Street. Yeah. Bodies, Bodies, Bodies. A Walk to Remember. Zodiac. Midsommar. Inside Out. Aww! Nakakaiyak yung Inside Out na yan. Like, even if it's cartoon, pero grabe talaga.
Okay, guys. I feel like I have to turn on my camera. It's almost an hour now. And I wanna oh, thank you, Bangshi. I wanna show myself. If we reach okay, sige, pag mag-reach na tayo ng 110. Ayan. Hala, si Bidam, si Bangshi. Hala, sige. Paunahay. Oh, da. At ang nanalo ay Bidams. Ay! Humahabol si Bangshi. Oh. Ah! Shawl Blumaze. Oh, da. Sorry. Panalo si Bidams. But damn. Be damn. Oh. Grabe, oh. Wala na bang tatalo kay Bidams? Sorry. Oh. Grabe, essentials. Times 1,6,175 and counting. Lagi. Kijud. Gip. Murag way ugma. Wah. 210, 20. Ala. Grabe siya, oy. Grabe. Anong date ba ngayon? Ay. I know na. Is it your payday, no? Guys, alam na. Alams na. Feeling ko payday may be dumps. That's why. Ay, grabe oh. 300. Wow. Grab. Oh my God. Magto 200K na. What in the world? Jan. I will show you guys myself. I look stressed. I look stressed, but this is me. This is real. Hello, everybody. Hala! Wait lang! This is familiar. This is very familiar. This is very nostalgic. I remember when I was doing a live and it was around this Arden, and then like I wanted to quit. I not quit, but I mean I wanted to end my life. Pero may nagsisend pa rin ng sticker. And then I was also like, I feel like I was making my snack that time too. What is up with it? So yeah, I'll make a snack. I remember I made my parang overnight oats ba yun? Or granola or something. Which is what I'm gonna be doing now, actually. Yeah, but oh yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Oh my god, wala akong lalagyan na. I have to buy a lalagyan. Kasi this one is just so big. This is familiar. Nostalgic. Do you get deja vu? Grabe, si Ate Angie, oh. Back. Oh my god, where's the of this? Asan ba yung close? I'm gonna make lang. What should I make? Do you get deja vu? I'm sorry. Wait lang. I'm trying to find something for my something. Should I bring this? No, it's for a protein shake. No, I should bring this na lang instead. Kasi kisa dito, baka should I bring this or this?
Kasi baka this one na lang, no? Kasi baka maano siya matapon. But it looks fancy though. Yes, oh my god, I'm gonna make my healthy baon again. Yeah. Gonna make my healthy baon again. I should buy a smaller one. This one's just too tall. Yeah, but anyways, yeah, may reason na ako for malate bukas. I'm just kidding. I can't be late. I cannot be late to school, especially my subject tomorrow. Should I bring that? Actually, lagi naman ako nababaon, guys. Like, I always have granola as my baon. But, okay, fine, let's go with this one because it's fancy looking. It's fancier looking. No, but I like this because it has handle kasi. Okay, so I'll do it now. My is just simple. Wait, let's put this down. Okay. Hold up. Sige. Overnight oats, rolled oats, and this one equals kalibanga. And while making, I will be eating. Because no, gabi na. No. No. It's night now. I don't want to eat when it's night now. What else do I need? Yeah. Here I have matcha. I still have matcha. Oh, I still have brownie thins. I have this one. Strawberry yogurt granola. Oh, I'll use this one. No, because it's matcha. No. I don't want the chocolate and the matcha to mix. Anyways, okay. What? Yeah, guys, if you guys want to leave na, because may klase pa kayo bukas, it's fine. Also, in 3 minutes, mag-end na yung campaign. I hope may last pahabol. So, okay, I'm gonna do my yes, so I'll start with this one. Rolled oats. I don't know, actually, guys, I just mix everything, but I don't even know if I'm doing it right, but tastes good though. So, I think I'm doing it right. Wait, I'll mix this with hot water. But I don't have hot water. I'll heat it. Magbo-boil pa ako ng tubig. Hindi, kaya yan. Okay na yan. Magmimix yan. Lang yan. Dapat basta. Magmimix to. okay? Guys, actually nakalimutan ko na paano maggawa ng ganito. Basta I'll just mix everything and then it will taste good. Ganun lang yan. I forgot na yung ano na nilalagay ko. Alam ko nga, naglalagay ako before ng chia seeds. But yeah, let's just put whatever. No, I'm gonna put fruits then. I have apple. Boom! Oatmeal para kalibanga o tama. Should I add yogurt? Basta, all I know is that this will be a lot to handle. No, basta ako guys, I just put everything. Because I like something that's very much texture. So I like something na ano. Ang daming nangyayari sa bibig ko, ganun. It may look like it's lumot, but for me, it will taste good. Don't you dare judge me. Okay, I will slice up some pears. I don't have bananas or dried berries as of the moment. Yeah, kaya send stickers so I will get to win the grocery and I can buy groceries such as berries and banana. Guys, wala na yan sa measurement. Sa color na yan. Di na ako maarte. Ako lang naman kakain. I don't have honey. I have to buy honey then. Chia seeds. Flax seeds. What else? I have sesame seeds, but kaya. Oh, I'm done na. Then the campaign is over. Oh my god. Kailan kaya ako sa leaderboard? Sana nanalo. Wala. Ah, hindi pa. Di ba until 18? Ah! Akala ko 10:49. Wow. Ilan na ako sa leaderboard, guys. Sana manalo. Kaya keep sending stickers, guys! Mga ilang minutes na lang. I hope you help me win pang grocery. Help your girl out. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, guys, for helping me. I'm very grateful na may mga taong ganun. Kasi, I mean, you guys are so generous. I mean, you don't have to do it, but you guys are doing it. So thank you. I appreciate you guys. Kasi I know there's some of their stuff na mas importante pa kaysa sa pagbibigay ng stickers here sa akin. You guys still managed to give me. And I have won a lot because of you guys. So thank you so much. Thank you, B-Dums. Thank you. Wow. You have given so much tonight. Thank you for your generosity. I appreciate you so, so much. Thank you. Wow, 300k agad. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you, you generous, kind soul. Sabi nila pa, ampon po, B-Dums. Sorry, wait lang, guys. I'm almost done. I think that's enough. Yep, I did. I filled up the form na. Yep. Thank you guys for reminding me. Do you like more fruits? Anong ginagawa niyo guys? Ba't hindi pa kayo tulog? Is there someone working right now? Is there someone from a different country right now? May nag-assignment ba? May gumagawa ba ng healthy snack like me? Portfolio, assignment, review. Sipag. Ang sisipag naman. You know? Kahit nakapagod, and alam ko, marami sa inyo ngayon ay napapagod na, but it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it in the end. Kaya, just keep doing what you're doing now and remind yourself why you're doing that. Para sa pangarap, para sa future. Ooh. Okay, a bit more water. I have no honey. Pero, this is sweet naman na. Oh no! Buhay. Isang kagat nga. Okay, it's good now. I'm happy with it. And I will keep it in the fridge. And then this is my healthy snack or meal. Then I have my spoon and fork with me and my straw. No. And if ever I can put more water and then use it as a drink. And then bam! Thank you din sa nagbigay nito. I love it so much. I will clean up. But before that, yeah, we'll clean up. Hmm? Yeah, well, kasi hindi sila, this is not apple, this is pear, by the way. Hindi nila bet yung ganun eh. Sa Malay, she wants. Bet na yung mga overnight oats. My favorite fruit is mango. Mango, kiwi, jackfruit, dragon fruit. I eat tomatoes if it's baby tomatoes or cherry tomatoes na super soft, like lata. After I finish this, I am gonna end my life, you guys. Yeah, I love papaya. And fun fact, I have Snapchat na pinangalan ko siya as Aya Papaya. Tapos na yung, campaign. Ano kaya ako dun? I'm 22! Nakapasok ba ako? Grabe, puro milyon? Wow. I won 5K! Yay! Kasi may 5K ako. May 5K ako for grocery. Woohoo! Nice! Thank you, guys! May cooking show tayo. Ano gusto niyo tutuin ko? Oh, I love avocado. I wanna cook something healthy. Ano ba? May school pa ako bukas, 9 a.m.
ba pwedeng iluluto ko na healthy? Munggo. Uy, gusto ko yung munggo actually. Munggo. Oh, tofu! Spicy tofu! Ano kaya? Chop suey? Paano ba lutuin yan? Tofu sisig. Sabi ko na nga, may nagsabi, sabi ko na nga ba hindi ko na kailangan may midnight talk, nandiyan naman pala si Aya. Pwede naman kayo mag-midnight talk sa sarili niyo po. Just look at yourself in the mirror and talk to yourself. That's what I do sometimes. Joke! Or is it a joke? Okay, I have finished my cookie. Ay, cookie. Anong cookie? Pear. Open up. It's time for me to go. And then it's time for you guys to go. Tulog na tayo, guys. What if, no? Nagkumo ako, tapos nakatulog ako. Tapos pag gising ko umaga na. Parang si Mika, sabi, napag-usapan namin si Mika kanina while she's there. Sabi namin, grabe ka, Mix, natulog ka lang. 200k agad yung ano mo. Natulog lang. Tapos sabi namin na, siguro if ako matulog, pagising ko, wala nang tao, walang diamonds, wala lahat. Pero kung si Mika matulog, effortless, boom. Iba talaga ang Mika Lim. What if guys, try ko ngayon, matulog ako ngayon. Tapos paggising ko, 7 a.m. na. What if no? Pwede kaya yan? Magagalit kaya management? We'll find out. What if no? Hindi naman nila notice kasi tulog na din naman sila. Game? Or dapat, game ako kung until kayo matulog. Dapat until kung gising ako, dun pa lang kayo matutulog. If totoong bloom kayo. Payag kayo. Grabe no. Tapos pagising ko, hindi ako magigising sa 1M. Siguro 1M na messages. Aya, what are you doing? Why are you still doing live stream kahit 3 a.m.? Feeling ko ganun siguro. 1 million na na sermon. Wala, wag. Bawal yan sa akin, guys. I snore pa naman when I sleep. Wow, sleep on call, no? Yee! Uy, naka-sleep on call na kayo na. Yee! Sino may mga naka-sleep on call dyan? Yee! Ako wala pa. Diyos ko. Ano mag-sleep on call man ko? Why would I sleep on call someone? Sayang sa load. Sayang sa wifi. Uy, sayang sa battery. Tug pa lang mura. Ano matulog kayo? Sleep on call. Sus. Amazing na, may mga ganun. May pa-sleep on call. Curious ako. Curious lang. No shame, no judgment. Pero I mean, there's nothing wrong with it naman. Pero sino dito talaga na nakatry na ganun? Comment kayo. Sino nakatry? Sumbong mama, be. Tita, anak niyo po, nagsisleep on call. Niloloadan niyo po siya ng 500 load pero nauubos agad kasi may ka-sleep on call lang. Sleep on call lang pala. Ano ha? Kaguro eh. Ay, legal to, no? Legal sa paningin nyo. Pero hindi alam ng magulang nyo. Wala. Tita, anak nyo po. May ka-sleep on call daw. Okay, I'm done. I will sleep na talaga. I cannot. I'm gonna sleep. I'm so sleepy. So sleepy. Okay. I'll put this in the fridge. Put this here. Put this in my bag. There you go. Wait lang, guys. Okay. It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. Tulog na ta. Sa'yo pa, ugma. It's a brand new day tomorrow. Wait lang. Water. Sino nagsasabi mag-e-end ako? Sleep on call tayo, uy. Joke. Pwede na, sleep on call. Good night, guys. Yucks, I don't want. I look ugly when I'm sleeping. Ganun. Sige, good night, guys. Ano kaya itsura ko pag naka-sleep on call, no? Paano niyo yan ginagawa, sleep on call? Paano niyo yan ginagawa? Like, di ba natutumba yung phone? Ask me ka po. May stand. Grabe, ang ano naman, ang effort, may stand. Nakapatong sa unan. Ano ba yan? Nakaganon. Kahawak pala. Tape. Okay, bye guys. I really have to go. It's 12:14. I have to sleep. Bye guys. Good night, guys. Good night. Rest well, everybody. Thank you. Good morning. Thank you sa mga nagsend ng stickers and thank you to you guys. Dahil sa inyo, I won 5K for grocery and I will use that next live. Let's luto-luto. Next live. Guys, love you guys.